I talked to Ryan. But I just want to confirm, like, have you been doing anything in like the business locator before?
The business locator?
Like a partnership or partnership type return?
Yes, I've just done one with Ryan.
Okay. So basically what we have is we have 2023 returns that we need to fix.
Okay.
And I have the 2023 returns that another CPA did. So what we need to do is basically just copy exactly what that partnership return looked like
Okay.
in last year.
Yep.
And just type in the same numbers and the K1. You have to input like the K1 name, like
yep.
the people, partners, and whatnot.
Okay.
And then I'll probably have you add the fixed asset as well, but there will be corrections to those numbers. Okay. So you basically have to recreate what already exists on an existing PDF, just copy it. Okay. The issue is we cannot, normally you would say you can convert it, but because the other CPA use a very cheap software, it's very difficult to convert. Okay. And they're real estate entities, so there's really not that many numbers to it. Mm-hmm. But I'll send you like basically all the returns, but I will list for you which one need to be done like now, because some of them we will do later. Okay. So, and I will write down in the email which ones need to change. What numbers need to change, like what the changes are from the thing. But I have a senior staff on the account, so he will help you with like maybe the software stuff. And like if you have to fix something or other, but there are most of them have these fixed assets that you will need to enter. Right. But currently the prior CPA doesn't have them in the tax software. So I will send you a separate email with the fixed asset reports. Okay. But literally each one has like maybe 3 or 4 assets. Yep. So it's not like a lot of input. Okay. I think it'll be good because like then you can like kind of it's like low pressure to learn a little bit more how like everything work. Yeah. On the other hand, it is kind of an urgent issue because it is returns due on 9/15. Okay. Yep. So I know Ryan, like I know like you kind of came in weird time, so like that you have availability because like things have already been assigned, you know, like when you came in. Right. So I think this will be a good opportunity to just like kind of get something to do, but it's like kind of like not too difficult for learning. Yeah. And I don't have a code yet because this is a new client. Okay. So for now, like if I don't get the code by Friday, just put it to like non-charge business development. Okay. And then you can move it later. Like I have the code, it's just not, I mean, I'm starting the process for the code. I just don't have it yet. So like in the system, you will not be able to enter, and you can let Ryan know. Yep. So because I would estimate, and again, I'm not the best one to estimate, but I will say like maybe 1 to 1.5 hours per return. Okay. Just to get it set up, type in the numbers, etc. Okay. So what I would suggest is for you to do one of them. Mm-hmm. And then have like we can look at it, and then you can work on the other ones. Okay, yeah, for sure. Okay, so let me send you, let's see. You're going to see a lot of returns, but it's only, I think there's like 5 returns that need to be fixed. Let me look at my list. Okay. Okay, margin proposal. Great, Joe family.